me.
Hey Beauty Babes, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's been so freaking long. Anyway, so for today's video, I decided to do a Valentine's Day look. Oh my god, wait, did I never put the pillows out? Well, aside from that, anyway, so for today's video, I did a Valentine's Day look. I really wanted to do like a Cupid look because I got some Pinterest inspiration, but yeah, so I did this fun Valentine's Day look and I think it looks super cute if I do say so myself. I love the Cupid twist to it and the red lip. This is the only item I had that's red. I'm buying more colorful clothes. I'm really trying to stop getting black clothing. It's really hard though, so yeah, my camera's gonna stop recording, so I'm just gonna end it here. So if you guys would like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Boom. Okay, so the first thing we are doing is with a shock, I'm taking out my Hoola bronzer, and I'm just gonna obviously be doing my bronzer. It's been a fat minute since I've last filmed, and the reason for that is actually because I was working on my portfolio for college and everything like that, and I just really decided that I needed to just focus on that instead of, you know, focusing on that and filming makeup tutorials every single week. Wait, we need to stop this conversation for a very important thing. Let it do, let it do. I haven't done that in so long, I had to. Anyway though, yeah, I just realized I was like, you know, I'm gonna have to just focus on one thing at a time. And I submitted my portfolio. I've applied to all the colleges I want to apply to, so everything's going good. Okay, I don't think there's anything else I have to do, so let's get on to the eyes. Oh god, I have an idea. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I have an idea. We'll see. So I was on Pinterest. Basically my whole life is on Pinterest at this point. And I saw like this like really cool like it was like a line and then there was like a wing. It was like, you know, like a Cupid kind of look. And I decided to do that, but like, you know, with my own personal twist, duh. So I think I'm gonna do like some angel, like Cupid wings right here. And then it's gonna connect to a double cut crease and there's gonna be hearts running along. And it's gonna be pink. And then the hearts I think are gonna be red. I don't know for sure though, we'll just see how this goes. I wanna do a red lip though. I really, really want to. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but I'd like to do one. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out my Morphe 39S Such a Gem palettes. And let's just see what color I'm gonna get into, because I don't even know. Okay, I think I'm gonna go into the color Pink Prize. I think that is a good color to go into. And I'm just gonna be putting this on my crease. Okay, I think I'm gonna go into the color Bougie and put that on my crease, really defining it. God, it has been so long since I've put eyeshadow. Oh, I hate myself. Eyeshadow on. Like it's been a fat minute, guys. I think the last time was probably when I did the New Year's Eve look. I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get into the double cut crease. I'm gonna pull out my Born This Way foundation and I'm gonna get a brush like this. Oh god, camera, come on, you can do it. Believe in you. There we go, like that. For how I like to do it is I like to just take some concealer and put it on my eyeball and look up, see kind of like where my crease is, and then I just sketch out. And I kind of like to think of it as like a spoon shape. Okay, and then now I think I'm gonna go into the color Oh Yes, and I think I'm gonna put that on the concealer we just applied. I'm gonna be really careful over here though, because that is where the wings are gonna be. So I'm gonna just proceed with caution in that area. I want to get into the wings because I feel like that'll be a good thing to do first. So I want to kind of draw a line from here all the way out to here, and that's where the wings are going to come out. I think we'll do it in white and then we're going to overlay it with some silver eyeshadow. I think that'll be cute. Right about there, and I'm going to start drawing out wings, just kind of making like feather shapes like this. Said what product I was using. I'm using my NYX Professionals White Liquid Liner. Now I'm pulling out my NYX Professionals Vivid Brights Liquid Liner in the color Vivid Petal, and I'm just gonna do the same thing, kind of just like adding in some feathers, because you know, we gotta get some pink in there. Valentine's Day. I think I might add some red in too. And for that, I'm actually going to be using this lipstick because this is the lipstick that I'm going to be using for my eyes. So I'd rather have it match because if I don't, it will bother me. So I'm going to be pulling out this lipstick just to use as the liner. I'm also going to be using this. Ow, I just hit my ear. I'm going to be also using this for the, if words would just come to my brain, that would really help this situation. Hearts. I forgot what hearts are. Apparently I'm Whew, I'm tired, leave me alone. So yeah, I'm just gonna be putting this on this brush that I got. This is actually a nail brush, but I like to use it for makeup just because I'm me and it makes it a lot easier. God, didn't you guys miss me? Okay, so I'm just gonna add the red on too now. Perfect, and now I'm gonna go back over it with the white again, add more dimension, and to make it look more like an angel wing, because we baby Cupid now. So now what I'm gonna do that I have the angel wing all filled out, I'm going to draw a white line also right here and connect it to the angel wing line, because that is what we're gonna be drawing the hearts over. So I'm just gonna pull out my NYX liquid liner and just draw that line. And luckily, because this is a double cut crease, we have a guide. It's just gonna be where these two colors meet. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna draw some hearts, put on some red hearts first, and then just see how I like it. And I'm just gonna draw them on, like, you know, maybe leave some space in between just in case I do wanna add a pink heart. But yeah, just honestly, pulling back out the lipstick. Did I ever say what lipstick this is? This is the Fenty Beauty lipstick in the color Uncensored. I'm so sorry guys, I'm off my YouTube game. I haven't done this in like a month and a half. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do pink hearts too because I really want to. So we're gonna just see how this goes. I'm pulling back out my NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner in the color Vivid Petals, and I'm just gonna do some hearts in between the red hearts we just did. I'm gonna be putting falsies on, so if you are not gonna be wearing falsies, then you can just skip this step. But I'm gonna be pulling out my NYX Professional ZSC Point Liner in the color Hella Fine, and I am just going to be doing regular eyeliner just so that the falsies look more natural. So yeah. First thing I'm doing is I'm going to be taking out my NYX Professionals Jumbo Eye Pencil, and this is in the color Strawberry Milk, and putting this on my waterline because we going all out today. We really are. Like, this needs to be a step up at my last. This needs to be a stepped up. Me and talking just never seem to work out, but I'm trying to do a step up from my last Valentine's Day tutorial. So we're going all out, man. Okay. I'm too excited. Whatever, ignore me losing my shit. I think I'm gonna go back into the color Bougie and put that underneath my eye on the outer corner. And then I'm gonna go back into the color Pink Prize and put that the rest of the way. And then I'm gonna take the Strawberry Milk and put that underneath my eye, giving it a glow. And I think I'm gonna do black on the waterline because I think that that'll make the dark look a lot better because it'll darken it up a little bit. It's just too much pink right now. Taking out my NYX Professionals eye pencil in the color Black and just putting that on my waterline. Oh yeah, I like that so much better. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out my e.l.f. Me forgetting English, just ignore me. My e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow in the color Disco Queen, and I'm gonna be putting it outlining the little wing right here and then putting it in the inner corner of my eye. Okay guys, I will be right back. I'm gonna go finish the other eye off camera and then we'll move on with everything else. I'm just gonna try to stay calm. I'm not staying calm when you come done. So yeah, now I'm gonna move on to everything else. I think I wanna do some like heart freckles. I don't know, we're gonna try it. But first I'm gonna do my highlighter and everything like that. First thing I'm doing is grabbing out my Too Faced Tutti Frutti. Nope, that is not the correct name. First, I'm grabbing out my Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo, and this is in the color Bubbles. Nope, this is in the color Berries and Bubbly. And I'm just gonna be using the highlighter part of it because this is a pink highlighter, the only pink highlighter that I actually even own. And I really wanted to do a pink highlighter because, like, duh, Valentine's Day. Oh my god, this looks so freaking cute. I can't. I'm Cupid now. Fight me. Now, I'm just gonna be pulling out my Maddie Morphe Lip and Cheek Mousse, and this is in the color Pinky Swear. So for mascara, I'm gonna be pulling out my Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. I just started using this stuff and I freaking love it. I actually started wearing mascara to school because I just got this like $20 eyelash curler and I was not about to just buy that and not use it, so yeah. scared. I'm just gonna go in with, I think, the pink first. I'm just gonna, again, draw on hearts like around here and a little bit on the nose. Nothing too crazy though. Zoom in so you guys can see it a little bit better. Hello. With my red lipstick.
Oh yes! I told you I'd like the white better.
I think it looks good because it brings out the white in the wings. Okay, I think it looks cute. Finished doing the hearts. I decided to do red and white because my sister told me to. And it looks better than pink and red because my skin is very white. It just looked really bad.
Cool tone.
Yes, it is a cool tone. So now we're moving on to lip, which was a shock. We are pulling out the Fenty Beauty red lip, and this is in the color Uncensored. I'm obviously just gonna be putting this on, and I'm gonna be actually doing a gloss over this to give it a little extra shine. Now I'm just pulling out my Glossier Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Red. Wow, real creative. Never would have guessed it. So now what I'm doing is I'm pulling out my Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray, and I'm just obviously going to be using this. That was a disgusting laugh. Just ignore that. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, stop it! Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or anything like that, and I'll try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it will be located in the end card, which is actually just, it's this way, but I give up. Along with my last video, which is also going to be linked down below. Is there anything else I need to say? Oh! It's been so long since I've done this. Along with the subscribe button, you should definitely subscribe to my channel because I post really fun content, like these really fun makeup videos. Even though I haven't posted in like 5 weeks, I'm going to post now. I just needed a break. So you should definitely think about subscribing to me. And I think that is all I have to say, so bye-bye, beauty babes, love you. Stay safe, happy, and healthy, and have a happy little Valentine's Day.
Doing it all night, all summer, doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer, gonna spend it like no other.